Good morning, students. So, today, chapter number 4. Already, we have discussed about the types of list in the previous class, ordered list and then unordered list. And today, we are going to know about what is a definition list with an example. Okay. So, first of all, what are the types of list? First one is ordered list. So, where we can insert numbers, letters, or Roman numerals to our list of items. And then if you are using unordered list means you can use any bullet or other symbols. Okay, so these are the things we have discussed with an example in the previous class, and today we are going to know about what is a definition list. Okay, so definition list actually consists of two parts. First one is a term with a description. Okay, so we need three HTML elements. First one is DL, and then second one is DT tag, and third one is DD tag. DL, it is a container tag where you can define your definition. Okay, so let us see. First of all, what is DL? To define the list, and then DT stands for to define the definition term, and DD to define the definition of the term. Okay, so for example here, so with title airplane is given. So first thing, all the programs must begin with the HTML tag, and then the second line is head tag. Third one, we are going to give the title name as airplane, and then you're going to close the title tag slash title, and then slash head, and then the main content begins inside the body tag. So first line, you're going to start with DL tag. We are going to define the list. So start with the DL tag, and then next line is DT. What is the definition heading we have to give? So definition heading is light aircraft, and then you're going to define what is light aircraft inside the DD tag. So first DL, DT, and then DD. Okay, so this is the definition given for light aircraft. Small planes used for leisure and short trips and powered by piston engines similar to small cars. So this is the definition it is given for light aircraft. And then if you want to define one more definition for the types of airplane, second one is seaplane. Okay, and then what is the definition it is given? Propeller driven planes that can take off and land on water. And then another definition it is given here, DT, supersonic plane, and the definition it is military jets that can fly faster than the speed of sound. Okay, so three definition it is defined here. First one, light aircraft, second one is seaplane, and third one is supersonic plane. So three definitions here it was written, and finally we have to close all the tags. Okay, whatever tags we have open, we have to close it. DL tag, we have to close it slash DL. Okay, and then slash body, and then slash HTML. So in this way you have to write your program. Okay, so now let me show you with an example how to do it as your practical. So just a minute. So first thing, you have to open any HTML editor. Okay, so as I told you, you can download from your Play Store. I am using AN Writer Free. Okay, AN Writer Free app. So I have typed a program, and the first line HTML, second line head, third line title, and then head, body, and then DL tag, DT tag. So here I have defined what is a light aircraft and the definition I have given, and what is seaplane and its definition, and I have closed all the tags. Slash DD tag, if you have open, you have to close it. Whatever tags here you have open, it must be closed with a forward slash. Okay, now we can see the output. So see here, it looks like a definition. So definition heading is light aircraft, and you have to define what is light aircraft, and then what is seaplane, it is the heading, and then what is the definition for seaplane, it is written. Okay, so in this way you can prepare your definition list. Okay, so in science you might have come across lot of definitions, so for that you can prepare a HTML simple program by using the definition list. Okay, so this is the example for definition list, and this is about your chapter number 4, children. And the three types of list, what are they? First one is order list. Order list must begins with OL and then /OL tag, and then unordered list you have to use the tag called UL and ends with /UL, and then definition list you're going to use DL/DL. And then here with an example, so see here, order list. So OL type is equal to, you can use any Roman numbers or capital letter A, or lowercase means small letter a, and then list, LI stands for list. So list of items of flower names is listed here, and then you can see the output automatically A, B, C, D. It will display the items one behind one, one below one. Okay, and then unordered list means a list of items will be described in an bulleted points. You can either use UL type is equal to circle, or UL type is equal to disk, or UL type is equal to square. So in the previous video I have told you how to start writing your unordered list, and today we have discussed about the definition list. So this is the overview of your chapter number 4. So try these programs at your home. Thank you, children.